Bonjour Guillaume, c'est maman.
Vortex is the first environmental simulator for all your favorite PC games, videos, and VR. Imagine feeling the heat of a flamethrower when you're playing Battlefield 1.
Got a great sense of the heat. It's interesting because it immediately makes you sweat, so it's really quick to immerse you into it. I know when an explosion is gonna happen, I'm gonna feel the flame, so I'm already scared about it happening. It makes the world more tangible, whatever I'm watching or playing. Like, it actually makes me more fearful. This is like flame that's gonna hurt me, and it's amazing.
Through our hardware and software, the Vortex system is able to respond to any kind of stimulus on demand.
I would say the coolest thing is how fast it can switch between temperatures. So like watching the Shadow Modar and the ice part of the scene, and it switched to like the fire, and it kept switching. I was like, okay, this is actually really cool.
So what's exciting about Vortex is we're taking a large amount of input data in audiovisual format, and we get to turn that information into usable feedback that creates an elevated level of immersion for the users. It kind of caught me off guard after we started putting some of this work into play, because the unit was a blast to use. It was genuinely fun, and it is. It makes almost every piece of content that you consume better. It's just a whole lot of fun.
Oh my god! You feel like you're in the environment that you're watching or playing. The Vortex enables you to understand the atmosphere at another level. It gives you more sense and more attachment to what you're doing.
Seeing people having their face light up when they have that experience for the first time is like everything. Personal satisfaction of that is just amazing. We know there's a huge void in traditional gaming and video. That's why we started Whirlwind FX. We want to get it into your hands, the content creators, the gamers, VR enthusiasts, action lovers. Now with your support, we want to breathe life into your entertainment experience. Feeling is believing. Live the action.
This is the ZenWatch 3. Not only is it the perfect companion to your Zen phone, it's incredibly stylish too. The circular design is distinctly classic. 3 buttons on the side and the usual touchscreen controls make it easy to navigate. From the stitched Italian leather bands to the jewelry-grade 316L steel body, the ZenWatch 3 really is a sight to behold. Silver, gunmetal, and rose gold options are all available. This premium craftsmanship can withstand the test of time. It's easy to make the ZenWatch 3 your own. More than 50 faces are available for download, plus you can build your own with the dedicated Face Designer app. Dive into the ZenWatch Manager app to make fine adjustments. Have an active lifestyle? The ZenWatch 3 can keep up. You can monitor your exercise with the revamped ZenFit app. It's water resistant, and there are rubber sport straps available. The ZenWatch 3 is particularly clever about charging. The brand new Hypercharge system can top up to 60% in only 15 minutes. With the optional battery pack, you can get an extra 40% charge. Beyond that, a special Eco mode can double your battery life. Plus, the new Qualcomm Snapdragon processor uses 25% less power than the previous generation. The Asus ZenWatch 3 embodies luxury for everyone. Visit zenphone.asus.com.
Every journey has a story worth telling. When we bring our cameras with us, we have a vision for how we can capture moments that we never want to forget. That's why we built Narbox, a rugged, compact device that's designed to make the creative process easier for anyone with a camera. No matter where you are, you can edit 4K videos and RAW photos without having to bring a laptop. Using Narbox is simple. All you have to do is plug in your memory card, connect to the Narbox Wi-Fi network, and open our app. Within seconds, you can trim your clips, stitch them together into a highlight reel with perfectly synced music, all in full resolution. And it also packs a powerful quad-core processor, GPU, and RAM, so your phone can tackle videos just like your laptop does. At the end of the day, all of your shots are backed up, organized, and ready to sync to the cloud, your desktop, or your favorite editing programs. No matter what your adventure is, how you choose to capture it, or what story you want to tell, Narbox is here to support the way you create.
This is Toybox, a kid-friendly, easy-to-use 3D printer. Browse through the ever-expanding Toybox library filled with hundreds of creatures and contraptions. Customize the toys to expand your already impressive collection for a more immersive playtime experience. You can even draw your very own unique creations. Hit print, watch it go, put it together, and share your creation. It's that easy. Toybox has what you need to create an epic school project, complete with all the details to impress your classmates. Imagination taking over? Upload your own files directly to Toybox and complete your biggest achievements yet, like your very own pinball machine. Toybox. It's a bottomless treasure trove filled with toys and kids' creative potential.
We believe in empowering kids with the tools to create amazing things. That's why we created a 3D printer that can be set up in 5 minutes and requires no training. The plastic is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use. With your support, you'll not only bring a Toybox into your home, you'll also be inspiring the next generation of young and creative minds.
Kid-friendly, easy to use, limitless possibilities. Toybox.